MidJourney, which is a big name in the world of AI art, which used to make these kind of pictures, but now it is paid. So what should we do now? It is impossible for us to make such pictures. Can we still make such pictures or art for free? I'm going to tell everything in this video. So watch this till the end for your own benefits. Now I am going to tell you some tool which give you some credit for free, but that last one is completely free. So see friends, I have written a prompt and saved it in my notes. I copy it. After that, the first website is leonardo.ai. Open it, then click on count me in here and log in by entering your Gmail here. If you have a Discord account, then you can use it for free and create many AI pictures from it. I don't have a Discord account at the moment, so let's go to another website, which is Dolly. If you have an OpenAI account, log into it. If not, so make OpenAI account. It is easy. I will give you all the links in the description. I paste that prompt here and in a few moments it will create the picture for me. After that, understand that the website is completely free from where you can make 1000 AI pictures in a month from an account. But with the time and changing condition, it can also be paid, so start using it now. If you want more than 1000 pictures, then make many Gmail account and create multiple accounts. This tool is lexica.art. I simply put the prompt here. After that, it will also create pictures for me in moment. Now I can download it and use it anywhere because I have become the copyright owner. Because before that, this picture does not exist. In addition to this, I will tell you 3 other websites who links and also in description: Playground AI, Wonder AI Art Generator, Instant Art. These are paid, but they also give you some credits. By the way, MidJourney also gave you 20 credits on one account. So make art and pictures free with AI and enjoy and earn.